When it comes to storing water for the Tampa Bay region, bigger is definitely better. Let's take a closer look at Tampa Bay Water's 15.5 billion gallon storage facility and see how it helps bridge the gap between rainy seasons. The C.W. Bill Young Regional Reservoir is located in southeastern Hillsborough County. This facility is the Tampa Bay region's water savings account, storing 15.5 billion gallons of water during wet times for use in dry times. That's a lot of water, enough to fill Raymond James Stadium 33 times. And it's this storage capacity that makes our surface water system more reliable. In fact, when the reservoir is full, it can provide up to 25% of the region's drinking water needs for more than 6 months. That means even when it's not raining, we can keep high-quality drinking water flowing for our members and the residents and businesses they serve. The C.W. Bill Young Regional Reservoir is an above-ground, off-stream reservoir, meaning no rivers were dammed to impound water. Instead, the reservoir is connected to the regional water supply system via pipeline. During wet times, when surplus surface water is available, raw water is piped to the reservoir for storage. Then, during dry times, water is withdrawn from the reservoir and piped to the Tampa Bay Regional Surface Water Treatment Plant. Water enters the reservoir through a 100-foot-tall control structure. An influent valve and withdrawal gates are located at various steps along the tower. When you stand on the crest of the reservoir, you realize a lot of dirt was moved to build this facility, 13 million cubic yards to be exact. The reservoir stretches 2 miles long and 1 mile wide. The base of the berm is 300 feet wide. That's the equivalent of 2.5 football fields. But it's more than just compacted soil, keeping water in our savings account. 4 million square feet of synthetic membrane line the interior of the berm from crest to toe to prevent leakage. There's also a 30-inch wide underground wall of clay-amended soil built into the ground to prevent seepage. And 350,000 cubic yards of soil cement armor the reservoir's interior. Stair-step soil cement rings the top to dissipate wave action. Tampa Bay Water sited, designed, and built the reservoir to last, and with safety as a top priority. The facility is continuously monitored through sensors installed in the earthen embankment. Tampa Bay Water staff uses this data to ensure the reservoir is performing properly. In addition to electronic monitoring, the reservoir embankment is inspected daily, weekly, and monthly by on-site staff and a third-party engineer. The regional reservoir is situated on 5,200 acres of land that was purchased by Tampa Bay Water and the Southwest Florida Water Management District. This preserved tract of land features wetlands and uplands that supports a diversity of wildlife. Environmental sustainability is important to Tampa Bay Water, and the C.W. Bill Young Regional Reservoir helps meet that goal. It allows us to take advantage of Florida's heavy rains, so we can bank water during wet times for use during dry times. That makes our system more drought resistant for our members and the 2.5 million people they serve every day.